Today I will be teaching you how to make slime. I have two glues, but I am going to be using the clear glue. First, you're going to need to boil some water to make the activator. Then you need borax or either baking soda. I chose borax because that's what I always use. You wait for the water to be done boiling. Once it is, choose a cup or container to put your borax in. I choose this teal one. Put a little bit of borax in, not too much. Then when the hot water is done boiling, pour it into the cup to make your activator. Make sure to mix after you're done pouring inside the cup. I actually chose to change the cup to a red one. And yes, these are color changing, but make sure to grab a spoon. I chose the clear glue, like I said. Make sure to pour the clear glue into your container or white glue. Then slowly, add 1 spoon of activator into the glue and mix until your texture is desired. Make sure to, after a while, hand mix so then you don't overactivate it. Make sure to knead it too, because at first it's going to be a little bit, well, I don't know. Mine is a little bit too overactivated, so I did have to add some glycerin. See, it kind of ripped. After, it did make good bubble pops, and yeah. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos. I hope you enjoy.